I'm shaking. I cannot believe. How is this on the air? The Bodega Boys? The quote-unquote art? Listen to some of these lines. Fnooting the choach? That's a euphemism for vagina. I know what that means. This is so vulgar. Oh my God. Big black Asiatic dicks? Do you think that's what my children need to see when they turn on their iTunes? When they're in their Apple Music? Big black Asiatic dicks? Oh my God. I need a second. Hold on. The young Chipotle and the human durag flap are the most vulgar? I cannot believe this needs to be boycotted. Do the fucking drop. Do it right now. Do the piano thing too. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Episode 42, the Mariano Rivera edition.
That's right, the Sandman.
It's a Sandman. The world's most dangerous podcast. Right. Enter the octagon of pain. Red Bull Studios. You know who's talking.
She's looking like a mosque outside. Pay homage.
It's your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cereal, a.k.a. Tristas Porcelain, a.k.a. Eli Lippy. Muchos Gullet. Slow but I might know you, bitch. Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Lorando, 1994, the cow going off, the Juve boss, MC Lico Gunga P, pulling up from 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't talk to me in the Uber.
I don't know you, nigga.
The original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss one.
Do not.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew.
He's a great guy.
Jermaine Avocado Toast.
Oh my God,
Young
so
Pa.
fancy.
The ghost of Mufasa. Young charcuterie without the coonery.
Damn!
A.K.A. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the
That's
Yankees.
him, papi.
Yeah, okay. Mr. Milner, Mr. La Marina, and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a code demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Mwah.
Oh, come here, little baby.
There's got to be like 50 names now.
Yo, I said you out of breath.
Yeah.
Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a human durag flag floating on air, nigga. East Street, my Stevie B. Rico Sabroso. I know fucking baby, my nigga. I fucking man, I tell you this. If you confundido with me, I will open your medicine cabinet, so make sure you put the benzos somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target, don't look me in my fucking eyes. Nigga, approach me like an earth sign mammal. You know what I'm saying? Donovan McDab, Curve Gotti, Field to Ass Tyson. The plantain sipping over in the sky. You know what I'm saying? Triz Khalifa. You know what I mean? And we out here, nigga. Rebel Studios, my God, 220. Oh, my car's parked around the corner, nigga. I'm playing with life, nigga. I don't even know how much time is on the register.
The meter?
The meter, fuck it.
He's living dangerously.
Are you not like too dangerous for me?
Yo, off the rip, I would just like to say, me and my brother Mero, we got the show coming on Vice on October 17th.
Very late.
And I mentioned this to mention this. We were at the Meadows Festival on Sunday. We was rocking it on the Viceland bus.
Bodying it,
DJing. And a lot of people saw us. Shout out to everyone that came out. But I'm saying that a lot of people saw us. In case anyone was thinking we had anything to do with the Kim K jokes, we have an alibi.
We are alibi.
We have an
for
alibi
that entire evening.
Even though Rob ain't paid the $80K.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
You know?
Listen, hood rules apply. That's all I'm going to say. You know what I'm saying?
You know?
That's all we're going to say.
You flashing steak on Snapchat. You know what I'm saying?
The wolves might come out. You know what I'm saying? You already know.
Not the friendly Disney wolves either.
Young Mufasa come get you. You know what I'm saying? So play games.
Right, man. That might have just been a warning.
You know what I mean?
You know, sometimes the wife gets duct taped.
You know what I mean?
As, you know, just a sign like, yo.
Told y'all, man.
Listen, $80K is a lot.
$80K is a lot of money. $80K is a lot of money.
I've seen people can get killed for $500.
I see niggas get killed for $500.
Yeah.
Let's keep it on it. Like, $80,000.
Your whole family can disappear.
That will help me a lot right now, $80,000. You know what I'm saying? So, just saying.
Just say it.
But we're alibi. Niggas at the food trucks very heavy.
Yes.
Shout out to Rare Burger. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Viceland All Day Holla Gang. You know what I'm saying? And mad people was out there. Shout out to everybody who came out there. Who was out there? Shout out to the guy at YC. You know what I'm saying? Young Costanza in the building. You know what I mean? We was out there very heavily.
Oh, yeah. Everybody was out there.
Whole squad.
Megan, Pia.
Shout out to Pia, you know what I'm saying?
Everybody
out here.
was out
Squad.
there. Gang.
Squad.
Yeah.
Els was mad blunts everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yo, son, I thought niggas like one dude was going to pull up like, yo, I got a blunt.
Nah.
Fam. If you was on that bus, you failing whatever piss test you taking. So I hope
like,
you didn't, you know what I'm saying?
At least 8 months.
At least 8 months.
Even if you didn't even like inhale.
Yo, wait a second. Wait at least a couple months
This is
until you do your security
test.
test.
L's going around.
Yo.
Just passing it through,
Yo.
signing waivers,
Fam,
DJing,
shit was
taking
crazy.
photos, kissing babies. It was a lot. There was a lot going on.
Shout out to Shorty that came up to us and was fucking physically shaking. You know what I'm saying? She was so hyped to
respect
be.
it.
Yeah, shout out to you,
respect
man. You know
it.
what I'm saying? That's why I'm giving you the shout out.
She
You know what
kept
I'm
it
saying?
100.
You know what I mean?
She kept it 100.
All
She
day,
was like,
holla.
yo, she respect the art,
Yeah.
being so close to the creators, the paradigm
saying?
shifters.
Third
You know what I'm
eyes is
saying?
fully dilated.
They get it.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, they see the aura.
Come on, son.
We have ascended our scumbag ways.
They know what time it is.
You know what I mean? You've seen us on the candles.
We rose like the phoenix from the ashes.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
We're
And
like
now-
the rose that pushed through the concrete,
Damn.
not the rose that caught the rape charges.
No,
on
no,
the
no,
Knicks.
no,
That's
no,
a different
no,
rose.
no, that's another rose.
That's another rose.
No.
That's deposition
Our
rose.
stuff, our shit is very poetic, very beautiful.
I was
you know what I'm
watching
saying?
him at that Knick game, and I was like, damn.
That nigga was playing like he's playing for his life.
He's playing for his life.
You know what I'm
He
saying?
can't even
Like-
tweet about it.
Damn.
Yeah, I was wondering, like, maybe I could tweet with the rose emoji. That could get me, like a loophole. Like,
They're like, no. Niggas like, nah. As soon as you do that, oh, you support rapists?
nah.
You support rapists?
I'm a florist.
You support rapists? Yeah. You florist. Yo, damn.
Yo.
What if, damn, dog? I don't know, man. That's so tricky. I don't even want to
Yeah,
dance
you know
around
what?
that.
Listen,
But I'm
I don't
like,
have the
yo.
answer. My answer is a Euro step,
Yep.
jab around it.
Yep. Drop 50, but again, then that's all we're going to have to talk about. You know what
Somebody
I'm
was
saying?
like, "Are you gonna see Birth of a Nation?" And I was like, "Skirt, skirt,
Skirt, skirt.
Go watch the
Brother,
movies."
what? Ooh,
Ooh.
But yo, we out here, niggas is unioned up, so we might get a screener. You know what I'm saying? Niggas might get the screener in the mail.
Yo, shout out to all my Caribbean people and Florida people
Yo,
and Haiti
hold your head.
and all of y'all. Y'all
You know what I'm
getting
saying?
fucking mansackled by Hurricane Matthew.
Shout out to my Tio Rodrigo, probably out there swimming. in the
Category
fucking-
4
drinking back
out
Albert.
there. I called my parents because they're in West Palm Beach.
West Palm
They're
Beach.
near.
Is the shit coming on the east side of Florida or on the west side of Florida? It's on the east side, right?
The east side, yeah.
Yeah. But Florida's not that wide, so it doesn't even matter.
But
Like,
it's
these
not,
niggas
it's
still
not
get
gonna
hit.
hit it directly. It's on the coast.
On the
But they're
coast?
just saying if it did, it would be like really bad.
It'll be a wrap.
'Cause
Yeah, like homie said on the fucking news.
your kid's gonna die.
Yo!
Your family's gonna die. Your pet's gonna die.
What?
I mean, that's true, but he'd have to say it
He'd
like
have to
that.
say it like
but-
that.
So now you gotta scare people. Because I asked my parents, I was like, "Are you guys gonna evacuate?" And my mother sucked her teeth.
Like, evacuate.
Yeah, I'm like,
You're
all right.
mad.
Sorry for caring about you. Apparently, my father's he's a doomsday prepper. They have like
Okay.
4 months supply of cinnamon,
Mad.
just everything.
A 90 cans of spam.
Shit that's mad unnecessary. Mad eggnog. Niggas got mad like potted ham. So I'm like,
You got the
alright.
whole chicken in a can?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen that come out of a can?
It's like, it makes the noise when you pull the butt cheeks apart. So
It's filth.
I'm like, all right, you guys are good money. And then my mother ends the phone call with like, yeah, if anything happens, we'll just come live with you. And I was like,
Boom, boom.
I was like, what? I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. All day I've been watching the news like, oh, Lord.
It was like, woof, woof.
That's all I need. Come home from work. My father is fucking in the garden. He's gardening in my Yeezys. My mother's steaming open my mail. So, Matthew, please spare Florida.
You know, you have 3 checks coming the same day.
That really happened.
You know, maybe you can help a little more.
No,
Yeah.
man. I remember she was like, I found a check you lost. I was like, that shit wasn't lost.
What's lost? Nigga, put this shit. It's in the crib. It's not lost.
It's not lost. I knew it was. You did it. Nosy posy. And when I called, I was like, I don't know if things are going to be all right. But as soon as I picked up the phone, she was like complaining about why the neighbors' hurricane shutters were so tacky and didn't match their house. So I was like, all right, she's fine.
She's chilling.
Like the house about to blow up. And she's just like, pink on red.
Tacky. Yo, shout out to my mom for just opening my mail and then lying and saying that she didn't have her glasses on.
Because you can't call your mother out on shit because she carried you for 9 months.
That's true.
Unless
And
you're one
she'll
of
tell
those-
you or she'll remind you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you're one of those pieces of shit that would be like talking back to their mother and smacking
Yeah,
their mother and
oh,
shit.
no, I couldn't. I'd
I
be
don't know
scared.
that life.
I'm a grown ass man. I'm scared to touch my mom. I would never. If I raised my hand like halfway, I'm like, shit, chill. Let me chill.
Chill. Also, you on TV, you don't end up on the choir like
What? On some
Oh.
Des Bryant shit, like, yo, I just watched
shit.
my mom.
I don't want to go on Twitter and you're trending and they be like, yo, Kid Mero smacked his mother. And like half the tweets are, well, in the Latin culture, that's acceptable.
That's acceptable. Oh, mom was with the wild black Izzle, like, yo.
On TMZ.
Like, fucking, I don't know. He hit me in my face.
Your sister
Hey,
Ingrid
yo no entiendo.
throws you completely under the bus.
Yo, he's a wild piece of shit. Like, dead ass, like, Yo, he be smoking mad weed all the time in the house in front of the kids. He don't care. He be blowing it in their face. And he hit mommy in the face. You a fucking asshole, my nigga. Like, I'll death fight you right now. Like, pull up right now. I'll give you the hands.
Shout out to Ingrid.
Shout out to Ingrid.
Oh, fuck.
Yo.
I'm dying because I remember when you and her was about to fight in the baseball parking lot.
Yo.
She was like, you ain't popping like that, my nigga. I'll wash you.
She threw the wild, shady Facebook status like, driving to work in the morning and I just see niggas standing outside smoking weed. I don't know how y'all do it, mad early in the morning. I'm like, yo, my nigga. Like, don't make me air you on Facebook.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Shout out to the sibling gang.
You got to shout out to. I ran up on my sister at a Roots picnic.
Like I want popping.
I just showed up behind her like, "What's up, nigga?" And she was like, "Oh, how you doing?" Yo, shout out to her, man.
Yeah.
Family's important.
Yeah.
Like this man who hid his dead granny in a garbage bag, surrounding her body with air freshener so he could stay in her queen's home.
What?
Listen. Rent is not cheap in New York, so you gotta do what you gotta do.
That's wild. That's so wild. I knew a dude in high school, the same shit happened, but he didn't hide his grandma. His grandma died, but your man, next week, free crib hookie parties. I'm like, fam, your grandma, this place was decorated by your grandmother. Like, all the furniture still got plastic on it. It's mad pictures of granny everywhere. I'm like, I'm not comfortable smoking angel dust and getting a blowjob here.
You know what? A lot of people don't stop and think about how difficult it is to move a dead body.
Yo.
Like,
a dead body, there's a reason why
you're carrying a person.
Yeah, exactly.
And now it's like stiff.
Yes.
Depending on,
Yeah. Yo, that's why they call it dead weight. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas dead, bro. It's mad heavy. You know what I'm saying?
That's
if you can't bench 200,
that's why you gotta get
you're not taking Titi out the crib.
Listen, you gotta get that bottle of cool water, smash it against the wall, get them fillet knives and start going at the joints.
No!
Cut it to little packages and start carrying it out like you're returning fresh direct meat packages.
I cannot believe. He's talking about cutting up a body.
Listen, that's from the Iceman, Michael.
He said that? He said how to cut up a body?
He used to be the mob hitman. He had like the HBO special he was talking about, like what he would do. He used to get tight because one day he had to leave on Christmas to kill somebody. So he got extra upset at the person he had to kill. Because,
right. It's like, yo, I'm missing. I'm working because of you.
Yeah. So that was his thing. When it was time to like dismember the body, he'd take a bottle of cologne and smash it against the wall. For the smell would go around and then just go at it. But like the hacksaw, he said hacksaws are not the best. You need like a good fillet knife. You gotta get in the joints. You know what I'm saying?
Look, I have a hard time buying whole wings and separating like the flats from the drumsticks. I don't know how I can bust down a whole human like with a steak knife.
I think it, in a pinch. If you call me late night, I come through. I got you. No questions asked, man. If you give me an L and a Bex, listen, we go by Orchard Beach. All right, this person will never be seen again.
Nigga said, let a nigga see who he riding with.
Is there an emoji for that? For like, yo, help me bury this body?
Help me bury his body?
Is the car emoji, the guy running it?
The moon emoji? The car emoji, the moon emoji? Yo, that's the wild code.
Oh,
yo, you know what I'm saying?
Green light. Green light.
Oh, my nigga's dressed in that round.
Oh.
Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Yo, the internet's so crazy.
Why do you say that? Sir
because because Rob Kardashian was like, yo, I'll give you $80,000. And then he didn't follow through, but
that's weird. Yeah, like he was just fucking with you. And because the thing is like,
he could too.
You're
that's
verified though. So that's like that's not like you were like some random
so cornball, you know what I mean?
And like fucking
like nigga, I'm popping. Like I got $80K, nigga, right now. Like on decky. No, I don't. I'm lying.
But like we're eventually gonna cross paths, right?
Eventually. Let's see you at the Emmys, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like might have to push up on you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I will. You know what I'm saying? For court purposes.
It could.
But it might.
It could go down like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Could have to
imagine dead ass. Imagine what that means. That means we're wild drunk, wild fucked up. Heather's like, yo, I gotta go to the bathroom.
That's all it takes.
Niggas across the aisle.
That's all it takes.
You know what I'm saying?
All it takes is a couple minutes and no supervision.
You know what I'm saying?
Ask any of our handlers. They know.
They know.
They know. You can't let Desus and Mero out your sight for.
Victor's wild fucked up too. He don't even care. He's usually be like, yo, you guys chill. Stop.
Backdoor coked up.
Niggas I was like, oh, fuck that nigga.
Ugh. Look at these fucking stats from this indie film. Look at this. Jeez. So I was playing softball with John Hamm the other day, and like, oh my god, this shit's so fucking raw.
Oh my god.
Like the person trying to present the Emmy, he's like, she's coming up on the audio shit. He's like,
Please, sorry, can you guy in the front row, please? Just flubbing her lines and shit. Like, today's a cat. Yo, my man, whose man is this in the front with the wild coke drip? Who is that?
He's got the tie to the left.
They got the shit on his head like Fresh Prince.
He's like, yo, it's fucking lit. The brand is fucking strong.
Suck my dick. Who's the red there? I'm like, yo, chill. She's cool. She's cool.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's that bitch from Modern Family. Oh shit. Oh, Sophia from Titties.
You can start smacking Sofia Vergara in Spanish. She's like, I do not speak Spanish in public.
We're just blowing down the lob pack.
Oh man, I can't wait. That's what's happening.
Great. It's gonna be great.
That's what's gonna happen.
We'll be the only like black people there.
Absolutely, and it'll be lit because you know what I'm saying. Then everybody else will get banned, and we'll be the only people that get to rock.
Yeah. What do you even do with an Emmy though? Once you get it,
just talk about it.
Yeah,
constantly.
I might put it on a chain.
Would that be you'll be the first person?
Yeah, just throw that shit on a chain and we'll have walking that shit on White Plains Road and shit.
Wow.
Like, yo, look at my Emmy.
Yo, nigga, mine with the Emmy? You stupid.
No, I'm gonna get it on my wrist. Like
Ghostface
had the eagle. And be unable to enter anything. Turn around stabbing people with it.
Like, oh shit, my bad, damn.
I can't drive. Just scratching the shit out the car window, like,
you gotta drive with the window open in January and shit. Like, yo.
Sorry, it's my Emmy. I'm not signaling. I can't put my arm down. Go around.
Go around me.
Go around.
Careful. Put your side mirror in. Pull it in.
Oh. But once you get an Emmy, you could do anything because the Jordan Peele guy from Key and Peele.
He came with that's right.
He just had
Thriller.
The Thriller, the interracial horror movie.
Shout out to Jordan Peele. Shout out to Jordan Peele.
You know?
Shout out to Chelsea Party gang. You know what I'm saying? Yo, wow, that's a lot of people are like, yo. Yo, I see the immediate like people wanting to have the wall backlash immediately on Twitter, like because you know Twitter's like, yo,
Twitter can't wait.
If we
Twitter
don't
comes
really,
for everybody,
yeah, and like yo, if we don't really bang with you like that, like we'll wait for anything to like OD on you, and you know what I'm saying?
But his shit, they said Emmy Award winning Jordan Peele.
Yeah,
so
that's it. You can't front on it.
You can't front on it.
Yeah,
you gotta respect it.
You gotta respect that.
You know, are you gonna see it? Maybe some people see it. Maybe some people don't see it.
Maybe
it's not that's not their cup of tea.
Maybe
you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait for my Thriller movies to come though. You know you got them dark Jesus thrillers. you don't know what kind of sick sad world I got in my head.
Yo, I think I do know what kind of sick sad world you got. Fucking maniac.
I got some thrillers.
Yo, this guy would probably make a movie that's like Hostel times 1,000.
Probably
like, the most. Niggas got to do CGI. They can't even. There's like, yo, we can't actually do that. Yo, I forgot what movie it was. Homie's arm got blown off. It wasn't like a thriller though. It was like some action shit. Yeah. The nigga's arm got blown off and it's hanging by like a thread. And he's still like shooting, like, like diving behind the wall, like, I'm like.
That's not how it works.
I was like, that's not. I was like, if I see my arm blown off, I'm probably going to go like into shock immediately and just sit on the floor and be like, yo, with mad O's.
Yeah. No, my Thriller, I'm going to make a movie. It's about like this white girl and she moves into like the gentrified part of the Bronx. But the building she lived in, it was like in the 80s. It was like a crackhead house. Crack house.
Crack house? They gonna call it crack
and
house?
Somebody like set fire to it with all the crackheads in it.
Oh, and they all died?
They all died in there. And all their ghosts are in there.
Oh,
and they're just haunting her.
Oh,
haunting
shit.
her and like the other residents and shit.
Nice.
It's like crackheads popping up at night and shit with jerry curls. Scare the shit out of her. Smoking vibes.
Hey, papi.
Breaking off their car antennas and smoking.
Yeah,
scaring the fresh direct guy.
Yeah, I remember.
She tries to put the apartment on Airbnb. Can't do it.
Yo, son.
There's gonna be like a scene. She's looking at her Venmo. It's just the numbers are going down backwards, and she screams like, "Ah!"
With the minus sign in front. Ah! My God.
Listen,
that's Rudy Giuliani's daughter.
That's a twist.
That's a twist. Plot twist. Double plot twist. She's voting for Hillary Clinton. She's supporting Hillary Clinton.
Rudy Giuliani's daughter? Well, they hate Giuliani. They hate Giuliani.
Right?
They don't bang with him because he's a piece of shit.
He's trash.
When your kids don't fuck with you, when you're a public figure and your kids are like, no,
fuck you,
you gotta be, you're a piece of shit.
Also, a piece of shit.
They're also embarrassed by his racist teeth.
That's true. They're like, yo, Dad, you could get the whitening on the top and not the bottom. Dad, like, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Yo, I almost ran over someone on the way here today.
Why? How?
Because I was turning over by Jacob Javits Center, and as I'm like going through the, got sunglasses on.
Okay.
I see someone in red and white clown tights crossing the fucking intersection. So, there's clowns everywhere now.
Yeah.
And they said there's clowns in New York. So I'm like, I got to get them before they get me.
Right.
So I was about to swerve the car and run them over. But apparently it's Comic-Con.
Oh.
So that would have just been like manslaughter.
Damn. I thought you were going to be like, it's Uzi and Connor or some shit.
Nah.
Yeah. It is Comic-Con. That's true.
It's not safe to have Comic-Con right now. Like, you can't have people dressed up in costumes while we got the clown outbreak.
Is there any popping clowns in comics?
Nah, clowns are not cool.
They're washed.
Clowns are not cool.
They're not
like, clowns are like whiteface. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then they got like the Sherman Helmsley hair.
They do. Yeah. It's funny because the most famous clown is called Bozo. And it's like, if you're a Bozo.
And someone calls you a Bozo, you're going to fight them,
you're
right?
Like, what the fuck, nigga?
What the fuck you
through the hands. Like, what's good?
Nigga?
What's up? Fuck you up. Call me fucking clown. You said I'm a clown, nigga?
Could you kill a clown?
Could I kill a clown? Absolutely.
Like, with your bare hands?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Like, just kicking it to death?
Hell yeah. Yo, all you gotta do is stick your thumb in somebody's eye until you hit their brain. You know what I'm saying? And they'll die.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
I don't think most people are gonna just sit there and passively
said, my God.
Passively let you just stick their thumb to their brain.
That's disgusting. Don't try that. Someone's gonna get wild high and try that. Do not try that. Disclaimer.
Nah, try it. Try to report back. Send us a video.
Yeah. There's some nigga that was in the mention talking about, I can't be the first one to die for the hive. I was like, don't say these things.
No, do it. Die for the hive. Die for the hive. For the caliphate. People with the veterans was like, rock with the caliphate. I'm like, could we like lower that?
Yo.
Before I end up in Guantanamo? I was about to say before I end up in San Gennaro.
San Gennaro.
Getting deliciously tortured.
Oh my God. They keep making me Zeppelis.
They're lashing me with spaghetti. They're attaching the police to my genitals. Gabagool.
Gabagool. The sausage and peppers.
Oh shit, David Letterman's trending. What do you think happened with him?
He's dead.
Think he died?
Did he die? No, he's in the hospital. He retired?
Oh,
he did retire.
He said that Donald Trump is a damaged human being, a person to be shunned.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Donald Trump gotta be like, your show got canceled.
Yeah.
Loser.
You're a loser. Listen to me. David Letterman, Jimmy Fallon took your shit, nigga. He took your block. Okay, he's running your block now. You're trash. You had it on Smash back in the day. You're not popping. Go somewhere with your white teeth. Okay? If I could come over here and top me off.
Oh, man.
Yeah, David Letterman got funny teeth, man.
He does. But when you get rich, when you get to a certain level of popping, your teeth don't matter.
Yeah.
You're just whatever.
You know what it is? When you get to a certain level of popping, if your teeth are a certain way, you can't get them fixes. And niggas like, he fix his teeth.
That's true. That's
true.
true.
He fix his teeth, man. My pops got his teeth fixed. He came back. I was like, nigga, why you got perfect white teeth? Where you get these shit Maxwell teeth from, nigga?
You can't do it.
Where you bought these shits?
With the teeth from the mask with Jim Carrey.
It was funny because I was like, as soon as he told me he did it, I was like, I'm gonna see this again. He's gonna have the wild big ass chiclet teeth. But I'm like, they're surprisingly, you know what I'm saying, true to life. I noticed because it's like my dad.
I don't want to blow anyone's spot up in my family. Probably just did. But there was somebody in the family. They waited until their wedding day
to get the teeth fixed?
To surprise the family with the new teeth.
Oh,
you don't do that with a West Indian family.
No, you don't do that. They're gonna think you're joking. They're gonna be like, you're so funny. You're so funny. You did fake teeth for your. It's a joke.
Look by the teeth. Look by the teeth. My teeth so big.
Why your teeth so big, huh?
And, it was like, everyone was like, you look so nice. And then they walk away from the table just snickering and like, gossiping behind their back. Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. It's so big. You look like oxtail. Yo, do you remember when a guy was
I just saw the nigga's face on your laptop. I'm like, this dude looks treacherous.
He tried to kidnap. He had a plot to 9 years ago. He had a plot to kidnap David Letterman's nanny and son.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
damn, that's a throwback. And he was mad shook. Stalkers are weird.
He had a key to the house and knew where the baby slept.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
My homeboy did his TV, his electrical shit, and like
he was going to hold the baby and the nanny for 48 hours because he wanted $5 million.
$5 million. David Letterman had $5 million.
He got $5 million, but if I have $5 million, does that? I worked for that $5 million.
Yeah.
I have to give him my $5 million.
You can call straight up like, bitch, you wasn't with me shooting in the gym.
I'll be like, I fail to see how my child and that nanny who I hired for the hour. You know what I'm saying? Not really related to me.
You be like, yo, send my kid back, nigga. I'll give you 2.5 and send a kid back.
Nah, send my kid, like, stop playing. Just send my kid back. Just get my kid back. We walk away from this. I don't get the cops involved.
Yeah.
I be like, yo, I'm going to spend that $5 million to, like, just kill you. You're not going to get it. So.
That's true. That's true.
Just nigga, like,
yeah. I'm like, yo, I'm paying somebody to whack you.
Yeah, I would
for sure.
Easy mill. I'll put your picture on Twitter. Like, yo,
look, I will go right now. I'm not gonna say where, and give somebody $5,000. I'm gonna go murk somebody.
Creston Avenue.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, $1 million. You know what niggas will do for $1 million? Bro, niggas will
do
murk
for $80K?
Yo,
a million.
Like Rick Ross says, $1 million.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas will cut you up, put you in the trunk of a fucking Volkswagen Beetle. Nigga drive across 20 state lines, dump you in a river, light the car on fire, blow the shit off the cliff. For $1 million?
Put you in the back of a junk car, put you in the back of the compressor. You're now a cube on a container ship to China.
Yeah, it's gonna fall
They're
to the
asking
ocean.
about you on Bronx 12, but don't nobody know. Then they gotta start doing the computer aging the picture of you and it don't look like you no more. And every now and then they got your mama out. She got a picture of you.
She's like, yo,
has anyone seen my son?
One day he will come back.
I leave a plate by the door.
Okay, for you.
I left his room the way it was.
It was lovely.
Look, that is his Dave East poster. He will be back.
Yeah. That just reminded me of fucking, I don't know if it was like Jet Magazine or what, like one of those type of magazines.
Mm-hmm.
That have fucking Michael Jackson. Like, what will Michael Jackson look like in 50 years?
Like Emily or some shit like that. They were way off.
Oh, way off.
They were way off. They had him looking like the regional sports manager for the NBA who just doesn't play basketball. He takes the game seriously, though.
Yeah.
I'm just here for the stats.
All right, guys. I'm the videographer.
Just because I'm black doesn't mean I can play.
I can ball. Like, this is the wild twirl. I don't know. They're like, yo, damn, you're talented.
Oh, thank you. I studied in Juilliard.
Did he really?
Who?
Mike didn't study Juilliard.
Nah.
Where's Michael Jackson from originally?
Indiana.
Indiana?
Jackson Street.
Shout out to Indiana.
Yeah, remember the Jackson 5?
Yeah.
Remember his pops was beating the shit out of them kids,
He
make them
was,
sing?
damn.
That's what you gotta do
He
to
was
your
washing
kids.
them niggas. Was he fucking them up for real, or was he like white people fucking them up? Because white people see me grab my kid's arm in the supermarket and be like, he's so abusive.
Nah, he was fucking them up for real, but
Like, bad?
but I'm saying, look, they made beautiful songs. So
They did.
You know what I mean?
Listen, sometimes you gotta
fucking song
tenderize
up-
the meat.
He made a fucking song about a rat.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, the belt does that.
The belt made me sing.
But he
Damn,
said he
Mike.
lost his child. I mean, you know,
R.I.P.
this,
Mike.
that.
He did, right?
He lost his childhood because he was always working and shit. You know what I mean?
That's how he's like, children. I love children. Everybody's like, yo, imagine he was just like mad innocently. Imagine he didn't touch no kids, but he was just like trying to relive his childhood.
You know,
it's still creepy.
That's true, but you know, it's like what sounds better. What's better for Twitter jokes?
True,
Do you want to know the truth about Michael Jordan?
No.
You want to make these fucking child molestation
Let's
jokes?
get these jokes off.
This is a good chomo.
Let's get these jokes
They
off.
can make great songs and shit, but
Fire,
you know what? Fuck it.
fire.
But we're still gonna make Never Neverland jokes and
Damn.
Bubbles the monkey and shit.
Shout out to Bubbles. Bubbles is definitely dead.
Yeah,
Been dead, right?
Bubbles is dead.
How'd he die?
Hmm?
How'd he die?
Monkey AIDS.
I was gonna say the shootout of monkey AIDS.
Monkey AIDS.
They got monkey AIDS.
It was the 80s. He was raw doing it.
He was wilding. Shooting dope.
He went to the bathhouse.
Sharing needles.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Bugging. He's out there with Basquiat and Andy Warhol and shit.
Not even rinsing their work with the half bleach and
Yeah,
half water.
not
thing
even.
You gotta do to clean the needles.
Niggas a spit on it, like rub it on their shirt.
Just passing the spike. Pass the spike.
Damn.
That's important. Bubbles is still alive?
Bubbles is still alive. What? Wow. Oh, where you niggas go? Oh,
All
where?
right, okay. All right.
Bubbles. Look at the longevity.
Oh, he was born in 1983?
Don't give him no Zannies.
Well, good for him.
Wow, shout out to Bubbles.
Good. We should buy him Bubbles. And make
Can we
him
buy
like
Bubbles?
the
What if he's like, he was with Mike so long that that's like, he got his freedom papers, like now he's just like an autonomous monkey?
Yeah,
Like,
he's like,
out here
nah,
chilling?
I'm not coming back.
It's like, I'm good.
Bubbles. I haven't heard that name in years.
My name is fucking Hector, nigga. Fuck out of here. Nigga Bubbles. Suck my dick.
Bubbles. You trying to buy him? We gotta
Suck
talk to
my
his
chip
agent and
cock.
shit. You got the
Suck
wild
my
rider.
chip cock. Niggas mad. He's a wild ass. He's like, I work with Michael Jackson. Are you fucking kidding me?
Bodega Boys.
But suck
Who the
my
fuck are you?
Fuck you. Fuck out of here.
The last guy that carried me, fucking, yeah, he dated Brooke Shields and he made Thriller.
You stupid jerk.
Wait, in the Bronx? Are you fucking kidding? You even got bananas
Are you
there?
joking? Have you ever seen Paul McCartney's dick? I have. You fucking worms. Fuck out of here.
I did blow with Diana Ross. I don't got time for this shit.
We're like, yo, we just want to talk to you for 2 seconds. He's like, fuck out of my face.
Fuck out of here. Viceland, what is that?
What the fuck is
that not even a channel?
Fuck off.
My last owner had a Ferris wheel. Your car smells like weed. Get the fuck out of here.
It's a fucking outdoor court. Are you kidding me? Yeah.
Shout out to Bubbles the asshole.
Shout out to Bubbles.
Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out to Narcan.
Oh, shit.
ISIL.
Is ISIL?
ISIL. But not them. The people fighting them, I suppose.
Daesh.
Yes. Daesh. The Caliphate. The other Caliphate. Shout out Bodega Hive.
Gang. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, shout out to everybody in the mentions. Yo, Bruno Mars drops his first single in 4 years. Nobody gives a fuck.
I was about to say, is this sponsored content? And now, Bodega Boys present the Bruno Mars
Pop Report. Yo, nah, nobody cares. What does that nigga even sound like? I forgot what he sounds like.
He has a perfectly enjoyable yet bland sound.
Okay.
That, in the right moment,
Mm-hmm.
will take you places.
Okay.
So it's great for like waiting rooms and just playing on endless loops on pop stations.
Okay.
But I don't think it's not anything I would particularly listen to.
What would you compare him to that I would know?
Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars.
He's not like Bieber, right? He's not R&B. Is he R&B or is he like, hey, make a trainer like stomp and clap white people
a bit of
shit?
both. He had that Uptown Funk. That was him.
Oh, Uptown Funk? That shit? Okay.
Remember that song that was everywhere?
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Bar mitzvahs, weddings,
Dog.
Yankee Stadium,
Damn.
Madison Square Garden.
Nigga, everywhere. Fucking Forever 21.
I was at Central Bookings. They brought the new image.
Niggas at Dunkin' Donuts just comes out like, what the fuck?
Uptown Funk, gonna do
Spread
it to
him and
you.
cough. Spread him and cough.
Uptown Funk, gonna do it to you.
See, I was like snapping along to the shit, like with the gloves on. Boom, boom. Spread your ass cheeks. Spread your ass cheeks.
He's got the nightstick. Get to his hand. Inmates just shaking their fucking chains.
See, I was like, I'm gon' fuck you up. I'm gon' fuck you up. Spread your cheeks out.
Niggas like, yo,
Open your
this shit
cheeks
lit.
now. Open your cheeks and cough.
I was false arrested, but this shit is lit.
A wild flash mob. And somebody gets a $1.50 and everybody scatters. Oh shit, yo, chill. See, yo, it's the Turtles.
And that's our
Those are the Spanish niggas.
that's our new show. Glee, Rikers Island edition.
Glee Oz. Oz Glee. Out here.
Oh no, the warden says we have to do a talent show by the end of the week.
Oh shit.
We're going up against the guy from Attica. What song are we gonna do? You find out the old child molester has a beautiful voice.
Oh, man. He's a golden voice guy. He's a Walt Chismo. Yo. Oh my god.
Oh, that'd be a good show.
Uptown.
We could get at least 56 episodes of that going. I don't know what channel. CBS, maybe.
CBS,
We're
probably.
always
CBS.
trying to pitch shit to CBS. That's where the money is.
Yeah, that's what the money is.
So
That's
when
the
I
old
think
people
CBS,
channel.
I think white people.
That's
Old
the,
white people.
Yeah, it's the old
That's
people
what
channel.
it is.
You know what it is? I think in the next maybe 15, 20 years, they're going to fall off.
Yeah.
Because all the people that are old now are going to perish.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be like the ratings going to fall off.
A lot of white people are going to die when if Donald Trump loses. That night, because remember the night when
that's right.
Mitt Romney died?
Yeah.
Not died.
Well, yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did die.
He did.
But
have you heard
and
of him
they
since then?
Nope. Even though he's rich as fuck, he's
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
haven't heard of me.
So I bought a black baby, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
Oh shit! But yeah. Remember that night? And they had the pictures of them on Twitter, and they were like crying.
Yeah, oh, yo, that was so ill. Yo, the live reaction, bro. I was like, I think it was like the Knicks with the championship. I was like, it tastes delicious. I can taste the air.
But it's like what happens to all those Trump posters and all those Make America Great. If Trump loses, I'm definitely getting a Make America Great Again hat.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Man, ironically. Like,
just wearing the people's head like,
you tight.
You lost. Suck my
fuck
dick.
out, nigga. Suck my dick, nigga. From the back, nigga. From the back, nigga. Fuck out of here. Fuck Trump, nigga.
Over my butt cheeks, lick the
fucking
pink part,
back,
nigga.
Yo, the fucking hands that stuck to my ass, nigga, lick them shit. That's you. That's you. Eat the shit, nigga. Eat that. Fucking Herb.
Sponsored by Hebrew National.
Oh my god.
I can't wait for we're sitting in the office, someone just plays back the last minute. That's why we can't
sorry.
This endorsement is not like.
Yo.
I'm like, yo, are you serious?
Bro, come on, son.
Come on.
Yo, it's satire.
It's fucking Flintstone Children's Vitamins. Why can't we be the promoters for it? We're Flintstone kids. 10 million strong. Yo, take these vitamins, nigga.
Yo, put these fucking vitamins in your mouth. Chew them up.
Yo.
Stop fucking playing.
These vitamins are cool. You could chew all of them at once and nothing bad. You might get kidney stones, but like, you know what I'm saying?
All right, nigga.
They'll replace a meal.
You might get constipated.
Yeah, you be all right. They like,
at most.
They're like whack candy.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yo, they smell terrible. They got the gummy ones now. I'm like, yo, I went to get my kid vitamins one. I was like, damn, it smells like shit in here, dog. I checked the toilet to see if I flushed.
That's good. You give your kid vitamins?
Yeah.
See,
I always tell them, I was like, yo, eat this shit or you're going to be mad fucking washed and skinny. Niggas going to wash from school. Eat this shit. Get brolic. Big up. You know what I'm saying? Get big on niggas.
You be making him do like push-ups like that Jamaican kid?
No strength, no weakness. Yeah. I'm having fucking, I had no fucking baby personal trainer, Adrian, and shit. Like, yo, no fucking baby, my nigga. Mero Jr. get brolic on these niggas, papi. You know what I'm saying? No shirt on sweating. Like the fucking MMA kids, the little Russian niggas fighting?
Chechnya.
Yo.
Just boxing each other.
Is Chechnya in Russia? That's a whole nother shit.
That's part of Russia. That's isn't that an annexed region of
Russia's just out here like taking shit like, yo, y'all niggas, yo, y'all shit, that's my shit now.
Cause you know what? Russia is located in the middle of fucking nowhere, relatively speaking.
Yeah.
So you can't. They're like, who gonna check me, boo?
Yeah.
That's why Putin over here wildin'.
Who's gonna come check us?
It's like when your
fucking
girl,
White Walkers.
It's like when your girl go out of town, you just doing all types of wild shit.
Nigga eat ice cream for dinner and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Wildin'.
You know, maybe you want to wear the same underwear 3 days in a row.
Yo, you know what I did? I made homemade fried Oreos, nigga, with pancake mix. Wildin'.
Yikes. You know what I'm saying? You watch a Pino at Mad Loud
on the TV.
On the TV.
On the TV, fuck the laptop. Nigga, we streaming
might
that
even use
shit.
a Fire Stick for it. That's disgusting.
Yo.
That's your kid.
You know
Your kids use that Wi-Fi to watch Disney.
Watch Disney Junior, nigga.
Doing?
What am I doing? Disgusting. Niggas was watching Noggin. Now I'm watching the bitch giving Noggin.
All right, all day, off the top, sloppy toppy with the HD. You sit on the couch with the wild dills out. Might even have one of your feet on your kid's car.
I don't even care.
For leverage.
The little talking chair, nigga. My foot is on the chair.
Just being nasty as shit.
Yeah. Straight disgusting. Straight up. Shout out to all you nasty motherfuckers that jerk off all crazy when your girl leaves the crib. And then when she comes back, you're just disgusting her because he jerked off 10 times.
You want to say that.
You're like, yo. She's like, hey, what's up? You're like, nasty bitch. Fuck out of here.
Look at you.
Look at you. Cover your fucking titties. You're so
nasty. Look at all that skin.
Look at all the skin you're showing. God damn it.
She's
like, what's wrong with you?
Meanwhile, your dick hurts. You're like, yo, what was I doing? Just beating your dick like it was your first time ever. Just in there fapping away like,
Straight puppy water.
Like you're done and you're starting again? Like, calm down.
You're watching the whole Pino clip, like the entire shit, like build up.
You ever get to the point you just watching porn for the sake of watching porn?
Yeah, you just watching
You can't even like beat anymore?
You're like,
yo, this looks interesting.
Yo, yeah,
I'll come back to this.
Exactly. I'm gonna hold this shit down for later.
Like, yo, all right. What's the name of this?
All right.
Stepmom Sloppy Cheeks? All right. I know where I'll be later tonight.
Yo, niggas is fake.
And you can't bookmark it.
Nope.
You gotta mentally bookmark it.
Yo, because you don't want Shorty to go on the computer and fucking type in Gmail and it goes to gangbang.com immediately.
Grandmasblackened.com / my first orgy.
Yeah.
Mero, what is this? You're like, I got the Zika.
Fucking goochsloppers.com and shit. Like, she was like, what is gooch sloppers? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Yo, Heather one time found Pino on the computer. Remember that
I
shit?
remember that. I sent you a picture like,
She's like, it's lucky it was me, not Adrian. I opened the computer and seen big black cocks.
Oh, man. That is fucking wild.
Yo.
I remember when I first started figuring out how to get to porn sites on computers.
Yeah.
Because my parents, their whole thing was, they were like, yo, you can't go on the computer.
Yeah.
Without us on.
Right.
Like,
It's some adult shit.
yeah, that's dumb. You know, that's like, they were never home.
I can't use the computer? All right.
I was doing, oh, man. Because, you know, most kids, what they do, they just type in, like, sex.com.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, man, I was going through, like, backdoors, trading passwords and shit. Doing all types of MacGyver shit.
Yo.
Downloading whole zip files of the whole contents.
Damn.
It's out there, man.
Damn. I was trying to think, like, what's the first Pino site I went to? And it was definitely fucking Sublime Directory. It was like, so it was called Sublime Directory. It was mad weird. Mm-hmm. It was just like it was back when like it was pictures. Like motherfuckers was looking at pictures, like a thumbnail gallery. Mm-hmm. Like shit like that. And like fucking written porn. Written fucking erotic stories.
Right.
Like, yo, that shit was a struggle. Y'all don't know. Y'all got it good, man. Y'all be getting wild 1080p HD, like, you know what I'm saying? Technology's lit.
I remember onprobation.com. That was like a black porn site, and I think Shorty Honey, I think, when the web designer, this is way back in the day,
Right,
but they
right.
always had like the Fuego,
Yeah.
like at least 6 free photos.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't need no 36 in a set.
Nah.
Give me my 6.
Nah.
Give me my 6. Make one gaping.
Oh my God.
Porn to go.
Yo, shut the porn. We're a sex positive show. You already know.
Sex Posy.
You know what I'm saying?
That's also the name of our new cover band.
You know what I mean?
Sex Posy.
Gender fluid out here.
All we play is Pussycat Doll covers.
All day. Yo, I'm glad that they're not popping anymore because we're popping and I don't ever want to be in the same place as them and I have to say Shorty's name.
Nicole Short.
Yeah, because I don't want to embarrass myself.
I'll
I'll be like, yo.
just be like, Nicole S.
Yeah, what's
Hey. Be like, hey, Pussycat Doll.
That'll be like the one name you get, right? And shit, like, nigga calls Tiger Ticket, be like, hey, Nicole Scherzinger.
She's like, oh, thank you. This is the first person to pronounce my name right.
Oh.
Oh, man. Yo, wow. The Florida governor, he's refusing to extend the voter registration deadline because of the hurricane. Because he's Republican. He's like, nah, fuck that.
Oh.
He's like, nah, fuck that.
See? He's like, God doesn't want you to vote for Hillary. Fucking pieces of trash. Damn, how you the Florida governor? There's mad, like, minorities in Florida, right? Am I bugging? Am I just thinking about, like, Miami?
Yeah.
Like, I don't even know what the middle of Florida is like. Is this straight, like, meth town?
No, the middle of Florida is like
Orlando?
Orlando-ish and stuff.
Okay.
But when you're up top, like Jacksonville, and
Okay,
shit
that's
like that,
the wild part.
and then you go to like
The Panhandle?
yeah, you know, it's a good governor. Yikes! It's
Yo.
like,
The Hills Have Eyes Part 3, Part 4.
that was a terrible movie.
That was low-key scary, like, if you're wild smacked. But then when you're not wild smacked, they're like, yo, this shit is
Dumb.
like, what is this?
Because this situation, I was almost, well, it's not the same, but as I was driving in today, I'm just doing the 5 miles per hour you do on the West Side Highway in the morning.
You already know.
And I hear bing, and I look, and my gas tank is on E. In the middle of Manhattan. Fam.
That's scary.
Terrifying.
But then because the same shit happened to me recently, and I Googled how far can my car go. It's always like 20 miles. And New York isn't even 20 miles long, B.
But then I was trying to think. I was like, where's the gas station? Because you spent all your time in Manhattan walking. You're never like, yo, is there a gas station out here?
Nope.
But the Waze found the shit.
Shout out to Waze.
Even though Waze was like, yo, not for nothing, my nigga. Like, you can go 20 miles on this reserve, and I know a place that got gas for like $1.25 in Jersey. And I was like, yo, could you chill?
Could you chill, fam?
Could you stop being like...
I want to play tolls to go get gas.
Like, we're not trying to save nickels like this, man. Well, we're just trying to be out here, spend my money on burritos.
You know what I'm saying? Damn. Yeah, the guy, shout out to everybody that knows how far the car could go on E. That's how you know you're real.
That's real.
Like, you're real.
Listen, for a long time there, I never put more than $5 in the gas.
Yo.
You know what I mean?
I remember when gas was like $5.
Mm-hmm.
Like, there was a summer, I forgot what year it was, but it was
bad.
somewhat recent, but it was like, gas was like $5.50.
And like, you had to start thinking about, yo, was Shorty really worth driving to go see?
Yo.
I remember I walked to this girl's house rather than drive that summer. And I got there while I was sweaty, and she was like, yo, are you all right? And I was like, yes.
Gas $5.75
Just do
gallon.
it, try to do some cardio.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Just try to work
It
out.
just collapsed.
But you know what the worst part is? Because I'm from the Bronx, what kind of shoes did I have on?
Oh, yeah, Tim's on.
I had Tim's on.
Trooping in the Tim's.
Trooping in the Tim's in the middle of summer.
That's like walking with a weight
Passed
vest
out.
on.
It is. It builds character, though. You never really see a New York guy, well, except for Jay-Z, because he's getting money. So he got the frail legs.
Yeah.
But you know, the Timbs, they build character.
Yeah, it's true. And quads.
And quads.
You know what I'm saying?
And you got a weapon in case you got to kick someone in the head.
Dog. If you go up the stairs at like by 176 or the stairs like down 225th.
Yes.
In
She lived over there, so it was the stone steps over by Van Cortlandt.
Yep.
So I would have to walking up those.
Yo,
shout out to Shoya. What happened to her?
Yeah, probably alright. Probably listening right now. Like, damn,
Nah, she
pussy was fire. That's good though. When you remember Shorty from that long, they're like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I was very important, and maybe the chose was fire.
I don't think you can't like pop up like, yo, what's up, man? This is the fire church.
No, I'm saying that they think that they're like, oh shit, this nigga remembers me. Yo, I must have been popping. You know what I'm saying?
Oh well, yeah. Well, you know.
Or maybe it was just a set of circumstances, man. Maybe it wasn't really you.
I was poor. Not anymore. All right.
I've been doing that shit. I pay the full shit all the time. Like, yo, I'm broke, baby.
I got no money. Sorry, baby.
Shut the bitch.
Money making Mitch from Manhattan, right?
He's out here.
Was that who?
Oh,
Damn.
hold up.
Mero just got the wild nudes.
Yeah. Yo, nah. Yo. I mean, send them. Yo, your man Dwayne Wade said that it is not possible for LeBron to surpass Jordan it is not possible for LeBron to surpass Jordan, he said.
What does he mean? Like, even if he gets more rings?
Yeah, like no matter what he does, he cannot surpass Jordan. That's a wild, high sodium statement. And he's just wild salty because he's washed.
That's a definite.
IMO. You know what I'm saying? IMHO.
That's a salty statement. I'm not the biggest Jordan fan. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm not
me
the
neither.
biggest LeBron fan, excuse me.
Okay.
But
Fair.
the last final, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Solidified it. Like,
Yeah.
at this point, you're arguing with facts.
Yo.
Facts don't matter, but
you also
there's
can't argue
facts
with
not
them.
matter, and then there's just like, yo, you look dumb.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're just like, yo, there's no such thing as gravity, then you jump off the building. Facts didn't matter, but your ass is dead.
But your ass is dead.
So,
Listen,
yeah.
you can't really argue with facts sometimes. They're
I
like a
feel
Puerto
like-
Rican girlfriend.
So, Dwayne Wade, why is he feeling like that,
You know what
man?
I'm saying?
Why is he feeling so froggy? Why is he so salty?
He's in Chicago. He's washed. You know what I'm saying? Like, I already know. Like, in his head, he probably was like, yo, we in Miami. LeBron's here. We gonna win mad championships. Yo, I'm gonna retire
Right.
a championship tearfully. You know what I'm saying? Hugging. Everybody's it's gonna be Dade County. You know what I'm saying? Wade County. You know what I'm saying? This, that. And fucking didn't go down like that. Niggas washed. Chris Bosh got the wild blood clot. You know what I'm saying? He can't play. Miami's washed. Nigga went to Chicago. And now he's over there. He's fucking playing second banana to Jimmy Butler. So
Life comes at you fast.
Life
You
comes
want
at
to
you
feel bad
fast,
for
bro.
him, but
he got a couple rings. I ain't mad. Nigga won over Shaq. He won over LeBron. Like, bro, be cool. You be all right. And that's been Basketball Report with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Thank
it's
you.
good. That's a new segment we have
You know what I'm
coming.
saying? All day. Holla.
We're talking about the latest snacks at Madison Square
Ooh,
Garden.
Can't wait. Oh, man. Nah, but we about to be into the shit where we eating, like, not the regular snacks. Like, we not getting nachos and hot dogs. Like, nah, no way.
Nachos.
Nah.
Hot
we eating,
dogs.
like, shrimp and fucking
I'm trying to
kebabs and
eat
shit.
deer,
All that.
venison.
Yo, you had the venison the other night. Shout out to Mimi. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nick.
The Mimi restaurant. Yeah,
Yeah.
I had the rare venison,
Okay.
cooked over hay.
Over hey. my
Okay.
nigga. Okay.
All right. When I brought that shit home, my dog was like,
Oh.
He put his paw on his chest like,
Oh, where are we like? This is what we doing
This is
now?
what we doing? Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
He pushed all the milk bones in the garbage like,
Hey.
it's later for y'all.
Hey. Nigga turned to OJ the Juice Man like, okay. Hey. It's lit. Yo, wow.
Can't go back to them Vienna sausages. Every
No.
now and then you got to go to Vienna sausages.
You have to.
I just imagine myself, I pull through the hood in the Bugatti.
Yeah.
I send my driver to the bodega and he purchases one can of Vienna sausages.
Oh, yeah. He
I
just
sit
like
in the
open
back
it
and I just open it and smell it and I'm
Like-
just like, I remember this.
and he throw it out the window.
No, I just dump it on whatever bottle I'm next to. I'm like, Vienna sausages all over you, bitch. Get out. I kick her out, throw a fur coat on her.
Oh my god. So basically, you're gonna turn into fucking Leon, fucking Lucius Lyon.
I built this.
I'm Jesus, bitch.
I'm Jesus.
Imagine it turns out to play you in the biopic on some wild, like, light skin flow. Like,
You got the conch. playing Jesus Nice is Terrence Howard.
bitch, I'm young Chipotle. Do you know what fucking time it is?
Mr. La Marina in a mesh marina.
Bitch.
With a cold misdemeanor, bitch.
Listen, bitch, you gotta hit both sides of my motherfucking hand.
Wow. They're gonna get to play you. You gotta have
Probably
fucking
like fucking John Leguizamo and shit. This guy comes up like, oh my god, I'm Mero.
Lin Manuel.
Oh my, Lin-Manuel. Lin-Manuel's a genius, bro.
What have you ever made, Mero? Lin
Niggas
Manuel
man singing and
presents
shit like, I'm a
the
human
Kid
do right
Mero.
flap.
the Plantain Supernova
Nova
in the sky.
He's getting mad musical with it and shit.
I'm at Viceland getting cheddar. Please look at my new wife, Heather.
Oh. It's gonna be directed by Baz Luhrmann and shit. Mad colorful. Mad colorful.
They're gonna have the kids from Stranger Things playing your kids.
Yo, listen, man, we got it. We got the spec. We got the
Let's
spec.
make it
script.
happen. Someone give us a theater.
Jordan check.
Give us a spotlight
You know what I'm
as
saying?
2 chopped cheese sandwiches and a pre-rolled Skittles L, and we'll write it.
Let's do
Make
it.
happen.
Yo, I was gonna say, isn't that how Tyler Perry popped off? Like he used to do like off Broadway plays and shit.
Yeah, and people used to like they VHS them and tape, but he made he makes. I'm not gonna say simple,
Okay.
easily to digest
Yeah.
entertainment.
Yo, listen. Sometimes you want a little Snickers for your brain.
There
You
you
know what I'm
go.
saying? You can't always give your brain fucking kale. You know what I'm saying?
I knew a
this
girl
is the
that had
kale.
all the
with piece of
original
beef.
Medea plays, like the bootleg joints on like Cassette?
On cassette? On VHS?
VHS.
Wow.
So she would say at home watching them and shit. Like, they would be good, but every now and then, out of nowhere, they just jump through with the wild religious shit. You're like, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, I forgot what I was watching. But.
That's where y'all be losing me.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to religion. Like, this shit is lit if you with the shits, but it's kind of boring.
You know, the people don't get a chance to pick early enough.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
The problem. People get, like, forced in. Like,
yeah.
they should have a day for, like, 5-year-olds. You know how they have, like, career day and career fair?
Yeah,
and shit?
religion day.
Religion day.
Yeah,
and then
pick your religion,
you let the
right?
people, you recruit the kids.
Yeah.
You be like, hey, do you want to be Catholic? Hey.
Yo, 8 days.
8 days.
If you're over if Hanukkah, you know what I'm saying? If y'all niggas want to come rock with
come
us.
over here. Hey. Yo, do you not want gifts? Come over here to the Jehovah's Witness table. Yeah, you have 5 birthdays already.
Jehovah's Witness table was just a card table. You just sitting there with Matt Watchtowers like, yo, we got magazines.
The perks, I mean, Saturday morning, you gotta be knocking on other niggas' doors and shit. So it's there with the cartoons.
You can kind of catch a peek of this shit. Like,
I mean, no birthday, no Christmas either.
Damn.
Yeah.
But the Kingdom Hall over here is right next to the Boscos, and they got Great Meatball Hero. So right after the service, you can go there. You know what I'm saying? Like,
also we got suits.
You know what I'm saying? Suits on deck. The Wild Van Heusen suit, like kids are like, that
I'm about to get the wild email about that whole little last joke with this segment. All my aunties hopping through like,
word?
Telling the elders.
You tell the elders.
Oh shit!
Nigga, just pop up at your crib.
Just pop up like, Jesus, nice. Sounds a little too similar to one Jesus.
Jesus, yeah. Our Lord and Savior. Yeah.
Our Lord and Savior. Yeah. Do you happen to have a second?
Guess who I won't be seeing in paradise?
Open your Bible to Psalms 105. Nigga, stop that decent shit. Oh man,
did somebody die? Did somebody important die recently?
Prince. So we're trying to get me to start a rumor on Twitter that Betty White died. But I Googled, and I feel like if Betty White died, people would know that.
Yeah, come on.
So, but it made me.
But haven't they tried to kill her like 20 times already on Twitter?
She should have died already, really. But she's still here kicking it. So I guess as long as she's not in pain.
That's what I'm saying. Like, yo, if you're wild fucked up in the game, and you're relying on tubes to keep you alive, maybe you should be. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, she's like still walking around, and she's with.
She's doing TV and shit.
Yeah,
she's still out here cooking.
I think she had a show. She had a couple of shows and stuff.
Shout out to you.
We have to pick someone, not her. Who else is in the celebrity death?
Oh, the next person in parish? Yeah, I said Bill Cosby. I feel like I don't know if we're still in that period. I said I don't know if I said 2 years.
Yeah, there's litigation there, so we're gonna put a hold on that when you get a new pick.
Oh, next celebrity in parish. Well, Brad and Angelina broke up. Might could be one of them. You know what I'm saying?
It'd be so depressed they murked themselves?
Could be. You know what I'm saying? That sounds very Angelina Jolie. Or Brad Pitty.
I think Shad Moss is gonna.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Just a rabid fan just can't take that he retired. Just runs up on him.
No, how dare you retire?
Like John Lennon.
No, it just claps him. He uses his guts.
And he's like on the floor bleeding out. He does that one last Instagram post like, yo. Niggas shot me because I'm a hip hop legend.
Because I'm a hip hop legend.
Shad Moss. But he does like a misspelling. And niggas roast him on Twitter. Niggas like, nigga can't even get your last Instagram post right.
You cornball nigga, man. What the fuck?
Whack ass nigga.
Whack ass shit. He's like, yo, I want them people recognize me. They don't even know who's right here.
They recognize me in heaven. He gets a pearly gangster like, Shad. They're like, what's your name? Shad Moss. He's like, nigga, you Bow Wow.
Bow Wow, nigga. Get in there.
Get out of here.
Fuck out of here. Get in there, man. Go.
Yo, Nebuchadnezzar, look at this nigga Bow Wow trying to sneak in here.
This nigga,
come over like, yo.
Nigga said Shad Boss, nigga. Said Shad. Look at this nigga's ID.
Yo, Eve, Adam, come here.
Yo. What's your name? What's your name?
Shad.
Look at this shit.
Oh, Bow Wow, I love that. I have never had another girl like her. Fuck out of here, Chad.
Go ahead, man.
Now go in, Bow Wow.
Yo, lunch is at 12, man. I'll see you then. Maybe fuck out of here.
I'd imagine the guy in charge or girl in charge of if they only have one person letting people into heaven, what if you get up there and there's like the wild backlog? They're like, yo, it's like a 12-year wait to get in.
Like, yo,
and
fam.
they just standing there like
you in purgatory, like you in wild limbo, like
you just standing on clouds and shit, like, yo, there's no reading material.
Damn, nigga, yo.
You be like, hey, ain't nobody tell me it was a 12-year wait. And niggas like, what? Peter, like an angel's got the wild attitude, like, where you gonna go?
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. You know a better way?
Oh, you want to go over there?
We only been doing this for, I don't know, all of time. But, excuse me. Excuse me.
My bad.
Oh, the kid Mero.
Damn.
You wasn't able to keep your human body alive, but you know a way to make this line move faster?
I mean, I'm just saying. Yo, is that the only outlet y'all got in this whole shit?
Who you calling? You even got service up here.
Damn. My phone's on like fuck. Damn. Niggas got one outlet in the waiting room.
It's just TSA up there. It's literally just TSA with the halos and shit.
Oh God. You get to heaven in the waiting room as John Lennon got the only outlet. Niggas just sitting there like, was his iPad plugged in? Like,
I'm like, you at 100%, Mr. Lennon.
Why you this shit plugged in? Well, I didn't want to wait. If I leave, my iPad would lose its charge. And I can't make fire music anymore.
You would never make it fire music.
I mean, if you want the hits right now, we can do this.
That's why you cut the hot one. Just start wrestling John Lennon on Live for Heaven. Everyone's like, hey, what are you doing?
Hey, bloody hell, what the fuck are you doing, mate? Hey, get off. Yoko!
You definitely get kicked off the line for that. They're like, nah.
Yo, chill.
That's like fighting at the Sprint store.
Yo,
the security guard come over like, yo, what y'all niggas doing?
Yo, y'all really wildin'. Like,
yo, just chill in the line. You get your little halo. You get your little harpy thing.
Yo, be cool.
What's your wildin'?
You gotta wait. You can't haunt niggas yet, man. Chill.
Look at y'all. This is why I had to kick Ted Cruz out that one time.
Sent that nigga back. Nigga still look dead.
You online, fucking Satan just comes up like, yo, what's good, niggas?
Yo,
yo, there's no line in my spot.
My shit is lit.
My shit is popping. Like,
my shit is wild lit.
I'm saying, I know you heard things, but you ain't hear things.
I mean, maybe it's too real for you down there.
You know what I'm saying? I'm saying that's hookah smoke.
You know what I mean? That's hookah smoke.
Like, not for nothing. I mean, I'm just saying, Jesus be throwing the wild lane parties.
I'm telling you, man. Like, I'm down there. You know what I mean?
Rosa Acosta dies. Where you think she going?
Where you think she's going?
Come on.
She's coming with us.
All right?
You feel me? So,
listen, the original salsa con fuego.
Down here.
You
know what I'm saying?
Mad fuego,
nigga. Yo, nigga, I just got toppy. I just came from getting toppy. Off rip.
Off the rip.
And it's not just because I rush it down there. I'm just saying, like, everybody's rocking that.
All right?
Getting the wild lines.
Down to getting the wild dome from Margaret Thatcher. She was beautiful, man.
Yo.
Sturdy.
Come through, man. We trism Barbara Bush in like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying?
Is she even dead?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Oh, problematic. Problematic light is on. Ding, ding. The problematic light is on.
Well,
we should do a show called The Problematic Light, and you just sit like mad close to like your mate and just keep asking you questions. Depending on, like your blood pressure and shit. The problematic light comes on.
I put my nose on the mic like,
Mero, do you find my sister attractive?
No.
Mero, last time we had sex, were you thinking of me?
Yeah. Damn. Oh, look. You see the little money shit goes like negative. Damn, I'm sorry, man.
She's like, I
can't believe it.
You fucking idiot. They ask questions you know the answers for.
Yo.
Don't ask for the truth.
Be like, yo, do you like weed? And shit like that.
Easy questions. Do you like one of our kids more than the others?
I'll be like, well, I mean, sometimes.
Does she have a clear favorite? Avery.
Well, yeah, because that's who she's with. But like, it's always like the littlest one.
Right.
So like, it's like Amari right now. But you know what I'm saying. But I'm sure when like, Numero Quattro comes through, it'll be that one.
Was that the official announcement right there?
Oh shit, that's right. Because everybody's like, yo, you got another kid on? Yes, I do. I got number 4 on Decky. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Man, throw the Timberland.
And
you know what I'm saying? I'm like Timberland. Nigga, I want babies and all my shit.
That's
you know what I'm saying?
Jesus, Mero.
I'm out here.
Jesus, Mero.
I hope it's a girl.
Yes. Princess of the Bodega Hive.
All day.
We are all, you guys do burn some candles.
How do you
some
do that?
fertility, what?
There's like a candle thing?
Yeah, go to the Botanica and you can pick the gender through the candle. So those of y'all out there that be fucking with the titis and the Santeria,
Allah.
you burn the gender candle. All right?
Burn the gender candle.
Buy a little vial of mercury and put it in your grandma's purse so she can carry it around. It's not safe, but she'll feel better.
Shout out to all my Bodega Hive white people that's going to go to the Botanica and be like, do you guys have a gender candle? The titi's going to be like, fuck out of here. Jacobia, vete aquí, coño. Vete pa' Jacobia.
Buy some Money House Blessing.
Oh shit, where?
Yeah.
Yo, you're in the hood when they got that shit in the supermarket, like with the air fresheners, with like the real air freshener.
Like that shit's a real product. Like that shit is safe to be using. Can't spray that around kids and open flames.
That shit is wild flammable, nigga.
That shit is just straight up like turpentine, right?
Yo, if you spray that shit like around any type of spark, or if your phone is on, it's like a gas station. You know what I'm saying? You can't have your phone next to the Money House Blessing or you might ignite. Whew. Like a fuego tank.
We should start selling bodega shit. We should do a box
A box set?
of bodega shit, and we send it to you
box.
every month.
The Bodega Boy
The bodega box.
Oh,
Yeah, so like there'll be
shit.
shit from the bodega, like Money House Blessing, a gender candle,
one Magnum,
one Magnum,
one Newport
Dutch,
100. You know what I'm saying?
a can of Vienna sausages,
Pair of ankle socks.
the bodega douche.
Bodega douche.
You
True.
could use that to clean your cooch or your floor, whatever.
Whatever.
Dr.
Both.
Bonner's.
True. Le Chef Boyardee can. You know what I'm
Dented.
saying? Dented, of course.
Expired 3 months ago.
Of course.
Maybe swollen with a little
You already
botulism.
know.
What? It's all right.
It's all
You'll be
good.
okay. That's why you got the douche.
Joe, just microwave the shit.
Yes.
If
We
you
send
got
it out.
a honey bun. You know what I'm saying? A Star Crunch, baby.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
For $150 a month, we will send this to you.
Yes. Yeah.
So 150.
You know what? The brand is so strong. The brand is so brolic. I will go out on it's not even going out on a limb. I'm going to just say that's actually a great deal because if somebody's in fucking like Australia,
Yeah.
they have no idea. They have no concept. So we're going to send you a little slice of New York City for just $150 a month. B.
Yeah.
That's light work.
Every month you get a new batch of bodega shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You
And you
know?
pay more than that for your fucking phone a month,
And
probably.
you know what? Maybe, fingers crossed, every month a lucky person gets an actual bodega cat
You know what I mean?
mailed to you. We're
Mailed
not
to you.
putting holes in the box, so it's probably gonna be dead,
Nah.
but it's
You know
still
what I'm saying?
lit.
But Bodega Cat's a survivor. He's going to show up there with his ear nicked,
Be like,
coughing up a hairball,
cough it up, like, yo,
coughing up a mouse skull.
You gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm in Australia. All right.
All right. Damn, these mice is mad big.
Just start boxing with a kangaroo and shit. Like, yo. A bodega cat versus a kangaroo. I'd watch that. That's like,
Oh, yeah.
that's like children MMA.
Yo, am I wild? Because
Yes.
I want to see, like, I never even seen footage of this. You King of Live League, maybe you have.
Bodega, kangaroo fights.
Animal fights, like camel fights in Dubai type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Well, see, that people feel that's animal abuse, so
It definitely is.
they don't really put that on
1000%.
Twitters.
Yeah.
But you can find it.
It's definitely animal abuse. I mean,
Yeah,
but
you can find anything. Everything exists on the internet, and you can find anything if you use the right search terms.
right.
Because Google's
sure,
good,
that's
but
true.
Google's not that good.
Yeah.
So you have
yeah.
to just figure out what kind of sick, depraved terms
What are they calling
to
it?
use.
Yeah. What's
So
the
they wouldn't-
acronym?
Exactly. They wouldn't just straight up put camel fight.
Yeah.
They'd have like a different code for it or
Yeah.
something. Camel
Yo.
activities.
Bodega Hive, if you know what it is, holla. If you got a book camel fight video, holla at your boy. And I'm not talking about in nature, nigga. I'm talking about like in a ring and they got like
Well,
masks on.
when we do our spin-off show device, we'll just go there.
Lit.
We'll do 6 Hour World, and we go around and we just look at bad shit. Like,
And wild fucked up shit.
wow, it's fucked up shit. Like,
Yo, I seen a commercial for a show that they got coming out. That's just a dude going around doing wild drugs.
that sounds about on brand.
Like, yeah, I'm like, yo, can we guess star? I'm in K2 episode.
Kings of K2.
Yeah. Shit, I don't want to guest star on the K2 episode. What can we guest star on? What drug? What drug would you want to guest star on the drug show?
This is a weed. I'm not trying
Just
to
weed?
get all.
You're not trying to get all fucked up
I'm trying
crazy?
to get all weedy or out there.
You're trying to smoke a little crack.
I feel at this day and age, you can smoke crack. It's not the crack itself.
Right.
It's the after effects. But I mean, like if you're already broke and it was like the 80s, I feel like right now,
Yeah.
2016, you can comfortably smoke crack.
Yeah,
You'll be
that'd be good.
You can smoke recreational crack.
Wow.
You can. I've seen it.
Shout out to my recreational crack smokers. I don't even know a recreational crack smoker. I know that. I mean, maybe it's because I live in the Bronx. I know people that have never touched crack in their life, and people that are crackheads. I don't
Right.
know anybody in between.
Well, no. When I used to work in the nightclubs, job. We should have like a thing that
Yeah.
dings
It's
every
like,
time I
ding,
mention a job.
job.
Job number 9.
New job. Job number
in
97.
nightclub, I knew a guy, and he would like get some of the girls that work there, and like they go in the hotel, and like for 2 days they
Smoke
like,
Krillsy?
just smoke Krillsies. And the girls wouldn't even like smoke the Krillsies. They just getting the money. He wanted someone to be around him
Yo.
as he's smoking the Krillsies and talking his face off. And then on Monday he'd go to his regular job.
Yo, that sounds so lit to me, but like so not lit. Like, cause when you're wild, this is the wackest thing about being wild high is that eventually you are not wild high. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And that's the whack part. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
so you gotta start doing extra shit to get up there.
You know what I'm saying? So
You know
that's
what I
what it
mean?
is. Like, I feel like I'm there with weed. Like, I'll smoke wild weed.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And be smacked for like half an hour. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm like cruising. You know what I'm saying? But, yo, you can't really do that shit with like fucking heroin and shit. Like,
Yeah.
yo, I'm gonna just,
I mean, but people be getting
my
smacked.
tolerance is low. I'm gonna go fucking let this guy suck my dick for $50.
I mean,
That happened. That was on a television program.
that was 6 Satellite. Not 6 Satellite. It was Dope Sick Love.
Dope sick love. Yeah.
But people do mad bundles of heroin to get up there.
I mean, yeah.
Once you need to get to that level, you just keep going higher and higher and higher, doing more, doing more.
Can you take me higher with heroin? Who is it? Whoops. I've been knowing songs like that. I don't even know who it is. Is that Creed? Can you take me higher? I don't even know. That's a song, though.
That was the one we were playing earlier this week. That was, if
was
that
it?
was the case, that was Creed.
Wow.
That was,
Osmosis, my brain.
in my in the heavens I'm free.
Yo, I just did the Creed face. I can't see it, but he did the Creed face.
No, Creed was cool. Creed was cool. So
Oh,
people
yeah.
was just like, wait a minute, I think he's singing about Jesus. Hold up.
And then they found
then-
out it was Jesus. I was
and
like,
then
that singing shit is whack.
Who else did that? Evanescence.
Yeah.
Evanescence, whatever the name. Take me back to life.
Jesus, I love you. And I had the one dude in the background like, Jesus is lit.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This song is too clean cut and poppy.
You're like, what?
Bring me back to life.
Jesus rocks.
Bring me back to life.
Jesus is lit. Fucking Jesus. I love it. Love him. So lit. Like, yo, what?
This song for Christ.
Christ is fucking popping.
Oh, shit.
Sticking to the million rocket. Christ is popping.
Doing dirty sprite for Christ.
Hey.
God bless and all the trap, niggas.
Yo, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
I pray to God it's not
It's
embarrassing.
not embarrassing. Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah, that works.
That's like
That
Christian.
works.
That's
But
Christian.
see, that kind of shit is corny because if you're
So
like,
corny.
if you're in a like church and they change your lyrics, shit like that, you're not corny. You're just like, yo, you feel weird
Yeah.
because you know God is like peeking over on a cloud with Jesus like, yo, look at these niggas.
This nigga's mad corny, nigga.
That shit is
Yo,
trash.
fucking lame ass.
I'm not even. Yo, mute them niggas.
Yo, how you gonna violate like that, nigga?
Yo, you on a hoverboard, my nigga?
You dead
Are
ass?
you praying on a hoverboard?
Yo, get this. Yo, whose man's is this? Yo, guy, you see this nigga, man?
Jesus like, yo, God, yo, dad, yo, dad.
Yo,
Dad,
what's up?
he's really rocking.
Yo,
He's really rocking.
He's dead ass.
He's,
Yo,
he's dead ass really rocking.
Yo, get this nigga out of here.
He's not valid. He's not valid. Fuck
Yo,
that.
that shit ain't sturdy at all, my nigga.
Boo.
Bro, get the shit out of here.
Just make the power go off in the church. Like,
Fuck out of here. Man, frogs falling from the sky and shit.
Ah.
Oh, fuck y'all, get
Guys
out of
are
here.
being mad petty before games and shit. Jesus runs in like, so dad, who's winning what NFL games today? He's like, Giants are
I'm gonna put Jameis Winston. Let me get that nigga a W.
yeah.
God
You know
damn.
what? Fuck Drew Brees. Just fuck him.
Fuck him. I'm not feeling him. That funny shit on his face.
Who was the you know, the one with the hat said the All Lives Matter thing? Cam Newton?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
Wanna give him a
1,
listen?
2, 3 concussions.
There you
for
go.
him.
Bang. Hold that.
Live, nigga.
Fucking cornballs.
Why is God Black Lives Matter?
Yo, yes,
Yo, I think so. I think God would be like, yo, I only made so many black people. What the fuck?
What are y'all doing, man?
Yo.
Wow. Yo, son, I made like 13% of these motherfuckers, man. Like, y'all really gonna, for real?
Yo. All right, if the earth is a game of Monopoly, y'all losing all the house pieces.
You're losing all
How
of
we
them,
gonna
man.
play the game?
Come on, son.
Oh, you're so mad.
Bro.
No, you can't take more from Africa.
No,
y'all already
man.
did that.
Y'all already
I was
did
tight
that.
about that, but I already was. Y'all told me to chill because of the whole ARC thing.
Damn.
Tight.
Yo, you know what, nigga? Yo, Matthew, come here.
Jesus, like, yo, dad, chill, bro. Peace vibes, bro.
Yo, you violent, Dad. Yo, Dad. Yo, hit this, buddy.
Dad,
Yo,
Dad,
hit
have
this
some
shit,
chai tea.
Yeah, good.
Chill.
Niggas
man.
have some chai tea.
Just chill, man.
Hey, man, I got this new, like, Enya record, man. Let's just vibe to
That's
it.
cool.
Let's just vibe to it, Dad.
Cool. I was just looking at some of the alternate realities you made. Good stuff, bro.
Super
you still
dope.
got it, man.
Super dope. Love it.
Great,
Love it.
man.
Super great.
Great.
Yeah, so just don't kill these.
Just
motherfuckers,
cheer
man.
up, man.
Just-
You've done
come
some
on,
good
man.
things.
You did some good things.
Remember when
Come
you
on.
did the manna?
Yeah,
that was
remember?
cool.
Remember that?
Come on.
Dad, come
Big
on,
guy.
Dad. Dad, listen. You made Beyonce.
Come on.
Come on, Dad.
Can't spell God without go.
Come on. Guys like, I
I needed that.
Bet.
I
Thanks,
needed
man.
that. That's like,
Thank you.
boop, boop. Incoming call from Tim. Tim Tebow. He's like, yeah, I'm going to let that go to mail.
Dad, you just have some shit to voicemail.
Hey, Dad, I'm up with the bases loaded. Could
Hey.
use some help.
Hey,
Hey, Dad.
call me
pick up,
back.
call me
ASAP.
back.
Hey,
Call me back.
All right.
To the crowd like, boo.
Oh, nigga whiffs.
Tebow appears to be on his phone.
Tebow's 0 for 5 today.
Wow.
Wow, and he
Wow.
seems to be on social media.
P.U.
Must.
That stunk.
Yeah.
Just getting flamed by the... Yo! Shout out to all my Mets fans out there.
Oh, it's quiet for y'all.
Did it still hurt? It's
quiet.
Friday.
It's quiet
That
for
was 2
y'all.
days ago.
Damn.
Yo, the Mets don't... That's the thing. The Mets just don't die.
They can't.
They just can't just go out like... They
No.
always got to go out like Ricky.
Dog.
It's always got to be extra like...
Extra.
So they were running from the store.
That's it.
The ninth inning.
Yeah.
Got hit in the back with that 3-run.
Ricky!
Bow!
Hold that.
Mr. Met just falling down like...
Terry! Shout out to Terry Collins, possibly the worst manager in the major leagues. Yo, shout out
shout out to Foley's gay.
All day.
I forgot it was Mets Day. Everyone had on their Met. Everyone was amped.
Yeah.
Your man was pitching for soup.
Come on, man.
Good.
I know they wasn't. Listen.
But once I saw it was 0-0 in like the 7th, I was like, this doesn't end well.
This doesn't end well, man.
This doesn't end well.
I'm like, yo, they're either gonna there's gonna be a fluke, and this Bumgarner dude is gonna get roped early in the game, or he's just gonna wash these niggas, and that's exactly what he did. Just shut up, just wash them. And shout out to TJ Rivera from BX all day from Throgsnack. Had the double, that leadoff double, and I think it was like the 6th inning or some shit like that. And everybody was like, yo, leadoff double, yo, we're about to score, and they're about to do it. Skirt. But yo, you know what I'm saying? BX all day, you got on base, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? You did your thing.
There was a guy at the full, he was like, yo, could you move out the way? Because I was leaning in the.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, bro, it's a commercial.
It's
like, I can't see the screen.
Oh, you want to see the commercial, nigga?
That was like, all right, got you.
Watch you cry after
Got
this.
you. Come back and lick the tears off your face for your wife.
Yo, I'm saying, but yo, shout out to the Mets, B. I'm not a Mets hater. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Mets.
Not a Mets hater.
Nah.
I just see them prosper because the Yankees are terrible right now.
Yeah.
Not even playing. I don't even know. The season's over, right?
Season's over. You know what I'm saying? Yankees ain't playing, but we'll be back next year. We got a nice young core. You know what I'm saying? Gary Sanchez is a fucking beast, dog. Gary Sanchez.
You got to watch the Yankees because Mero's about to restock that whole fucking farm.
Oh, man. Wait till 2020. Yo, wait till 2025, bro. Wait till 2025. It's going to be so lit. It's a good thing that there's no names on the back of Yankee jerseys because they will all be Martinez regardless. So we don't need that.
Radio announcers is going to be confused.
Martinez throws Martinez with the
1-3-5 play.
Martinez has thrown a perfect 5th here. Center batters down in order. Up next, we got Martinez and Martinez.
All the walk-up music is just...
¡Dilo, Vega! Ando en la mesa con los 24.
The new John Sterling is the I know fucking baby guy.
Yo, coño, home run! I know fucking baby, my nigga. He hitting the ball like, man, if you confundido with me. 3-run double, oh my God.
Wow, John.
Look at my dad.
Wow, John. Oh my God. Roger Clemens is in George Steinbrenner's box.
Yo. Damn, what's Roger Clemens doing right now?
Steroids. That nigga at home running up to watch TV.
Yo, niggas getting juiced up to go jog around the block. Yo, I was thinking about A-Rod the other day and I felt bad for a second. I was like, damn, it's like A-Rod, he's retired. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's never gonna get to this. Because he was like, how far was he from 700 runs? He was very close.
To it, yeah.
And I'm like, damn. And then I'm like, yo, this nigga's crib has a retractable roof. Like,
Exactly.
what am I talking about?
Exactly.
Like, what? Yo, what?
Somebody was like, oh, poor Derek Jeter. He wakes up. Like, he used to live to play baseball. Like, Derek Jeter has
he
mad
can still
money.
play baseball every day.
He has mad money and a young-ass wife.
Like, bruh, you won.
Also, he's black, but he doesn't look that black, so he could skate through shit.
Yo.
Listen, Jeter, you out here.
He looks like he has a deep tan.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And the Supercuts haircut hooks it up. You know what I mean?
They got him. They're like, yo, let's give you the fucking Officer O'Grady, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shit fade, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Derek Jeter never has to come out and say Black Lives Matter.
Never.
Because you never like, yo, is Derek Jeter Black Lives Matter? Because you're like, is Derek Jeter black?
Is he black? I don't know. Jeter? He's black. But then you see his pops, you're like, damn, this nigga's black.
Yeah.
This motherfucker's black. But I'm like, has he ever dated a black woman?
Yeah,
besides Mariah?
Sanaya, not Sanaya.
Me alone?
Gabrielle
Union?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah. He's been out here. Listen,
DJ?
All the flavors of the Raven.
Hey.
You know, he's out there.
All right.
You know? Nothing wrong. He played in the
That's how you know we're real Yankee fans because we're proud of like Derek Jeter's body count. Like, yo, it's my guy.
Like it's our own.
Like it's his stat line and shit. Like, yo, he's bad 302 for lifetime.
Yo,
shit.
Check it out, 97.
Look at this lineup.
Oh my God.
That was a strong year for him.
His babe average was disgusting.
Oh my God. He had Halley that year. Incredible.
Unbelievable. Jessica Alba.
Unbelievable.
Fresh out the box.
Oh. Maron. Beautiful.
Took her to Trump Tower. She didn't even make it past the bridge.
Oof. About to call Mike Francesa and tell him about it.
Oh, Mike, first time, long time. I was just thinking about all the hot tail that Derek Jeter had, so I'm going to just name some names, and then I'm going to hang up and listen to you.
All right, let's hear the names, Scott.
Jessica Alba.
Okay.
Gabrielle Union.
She's black. But go ahead.
Who else? You know who I matched?
Victor, bring me another Coke. Can you bring that Coke, please?
You ever got a choice to boink? You ever seen the White Snake video?
Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Here I come again. The girl on the Corvette.
Yeah.
I think her name was Susan. She went
was,
with me.
wait, hold on a second. It wasn't a Corvette. It was a Camaro, first and foremost.
Are you sure?
First and foremost, yes, I know. I'm Mike Francis. I know everything. Give me 1 second.
I'm looking at the
I'm on 1 second.
right
Hold.
now.
Stop talking words. Stop talking words. Give me a Coke. Thank you. All right. As I was saying, you're wrong. Steve, hang up on this guy. Derek Jeter has never had sex with a black woman. I refuse to believe that. Colin Kaepernick is a disgrace. Next caller.
I think I'll slide in some shit real quick.
Quick, make a quick left hand. Smack city. No, he did that the other day. Like somebody called, he was like, he was like, why don't you be a cop? If you know how hard it is to be a cop. These guys just want to go home. I was like, excuse me, sir?
What? Was that a Blue Lives Matter low key?
Oh, he's very Blue Lives Matter. He's out here with the...
Bruh. He be in there with an NYPD sweatshirt probably. Like,
oh, you know the cops love him. You know cops love Mike Francis. The Pope. Come on.
I see the cop fucking sitting in a pickup truck today listening to that shit.
That's what they do.
I see you, player.
That's what they do.
Plot twist. Cop was black.
Bum, bum, bum.
Actually, no, you know what's funny? I actually seen a nigga in the car on his phone driving, like doing the whole I'm driving with my knees shit.
Yeah.
And the passenger side window was open. And I was like, I want to be so bad. Like, I was like, nigga, you would shoot me for this. I'm just saying.
You gotta make eye contact when they text it. You be like, and then they look at you and you look down like, I don't want to die.
Oh, no, I don't want problems.
I don't want to be a hashtag. It's my new single. I don't want to be a hashtag. But it's like, that's the wild. I don't want to be a hashtag.
Boom, 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 boom.
I just want to die for you.
The wild Azalea Banks house shit. Like,
give me body.
Pussy.
Did we just got a deep house record right now?
We did. See? That would impress Bubbles.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, Bubbles, you heard that shit with Angle?
We out here. We was
Get
there.
skied up with that.
We was there.
Bubbles and Victor just get skied up to
Get
that
skied
shit.
up with shit.
Got their shirt. Like,
I see you at Twilo Bubbles.
Like he said, Twilo.
Yeah.
Like he said, Bubbles gonna OD and get put in the fake ambulance across the street.
Yeah, don't give Bubbles those Annies though.
Yo.
They're gonna rip your fucking face off.
Like that lady, the gorilla shit. It's not funny, but
I mean, sometimes it's funny.
you know what?
That's funny now.
There's some shit you can't laugh about. If you get your face ripped off by a
money on Zannies?
A gorilla on Zannies, your best friend owns?
Come on.
My nigga.
That's a joke.
We got boy.
Come on.
If you don't get your gorilla looking monkey face.
Are you kidding me? That's like an episode of fucking It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia type shit. If a nigga gets his face ripped off, everybody's laughing.
You gotta imagine like the monkey just come in the room with the face in their head, like, It's like signing in sign language, like, monkey do bad things.
Sorry.
Studio audience is like, not again, bananas. Just pause in the credits go. It's bananas.
What was the name of that? What was the show with
Joey?
It wasn't a gorilla. No, it wasn't a gorilla. It was like a Sasquatch.
Harry and the Hendersons.
See?
On deck and
I didn't even see.
You didn't have to ask.
I didn't have to ask.
If it's useless trivia,
I know.
And it's something that is of no value to anyone, I know it. Harry and the Hendersons. It was based off a movie.
It was, right?
The movie was not. The movie was it was like a comedy. It was like a family comedy.
Was it kind of like low-key scary at times, though?
At times, but like you learn, like he was cool.
Okay.
But the show was like a sitcom.
Oh.
I think John Lithgow was on there, some shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
So.
The John Lithgow.
Shout out to John Lithgow's agent, like, yo, you popping, but checks are nice.
Checks is nice, fam. So we're gonna put you in the shit with this monkey.
He was like,
imagine Matt flustered. You're putting me in a movie with a monkey? Actually, it's a Sasquatch, John. Sit the fuck down and sign the papers.
But that was around the time when America was obsessed with like furry shit. Because remember, Alf had a good run.
Oh shit, yeah, shout out.
Alf used to come on Monday nights, like the best
prime time.
Prime time.
Yeah.
making jokes about the motherfucker wore a Hawaiian shirt with 8 cats. And that's what America watched? But is that dumber than Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
I would venture to say no.
Right.
It is not.
People, like you said, people want Snickers for their minds.
Yo.
People want the Snickers.
Wow.
So I'm
Yo,
on my
it's
high
crazy.
horse over here like, yo, that's not good shit.
I only watch Citizen Kane.
You know, but listen, this is what the people want.
Yo, listen, man, you gotta get what they want. Damn, that's true. Damn, all that shit is not as dumb as the Kardashians. I remember all these terrible sitcoms that had like a very tenuous premise, like my dad is an alien spirit from outer space,
But then
or
think
like
about, like,
I'm a 10-year-old robot.
there's a show right now on Fox that is an animated guy living in a real world. And it's like supposed to be a washed up He-Man. That's Son of Zorn.
Oh, that's right. Okay,
Yeah.
who did that? Did we know who did that?
I think Jason Sudeikis.
Okay,
Sudeikis, or
All
something like that.
shout out to you
Listen,
don't-
there's a lot of space on TV for a lot of shows.
for a lot of shit.
You gotta try new shit. Can't be scared to fail.
No, it's true.
Some of you should. Not us.
I mean, wait, this is the thing. Some shit is like, you know, this is gonna fail.
Right.
Like you and I know both will very well from being in rooms and being like, yo, y'all are gonna do this. This is not gonna work.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And it's like, nobody wants to say like, yo, this is not gonna work.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta be like, yo, nigga, this is a 10-minute video, fam. This is not a series. You know what I'm saying?
No, you're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. We're taking this to pot. We already ordered 30 episodes of this. It's like, what?
What?
Of this?
Are you sure?
That one black guy comes in here like, this shit's fucked up. Shit, right?
Yo.
It's our new show. It's called Empire on the Moon.
Hey.
What if Lucius built a rocket and he got up to the moon, but plot twist, guess who's already there?
Who?
Cookie. And she comes out in a leopard astronaut suit.
Oh my God.
And so that's just one black person in the room like, this is not
No,
not
bro.
good.
No, why
This is not
y'all
good.
doing this?
And everyone's like, this is a good idea. You should fuck up.
No.
Okay, if it's not all right, you always have something negative to say.
Okay.
Last week you said us having Mary J. Blige singing questions with Hillary Clinton was not a good idea.
But I wasn't. Y'all seen how that turned out on
You
Twitter?
saw how many people watched that video?
Yeah, but they were making fun of it, bro. It was like a meme. Look, I got all the thing. I made a little PowerPoint to show you. Look, it was a meme. They made fun of her. This is the thing where she did the chicken and lettuce thing.
It was touching. Is it a gun?
Yeah, I know. I
Is
heard.
it a
I
knife?
heard it too. I know. I was there, but
In fact, I
It's-
think we need to do more shows where Mary sings at people. Also, could we get one with young M.A.
no,
rapping at people
No.
for LGBT?
that's terrible, bro. That's a terrible idea.
So we'll have young M.A.
No,
and she'll interview Elton John. Ooh, and he'll
no,
be on like a piano.
No. You could an interview with her would be great.
No, they're gonna rap together.
No, with Elton John. No,
Yes. Ooh,
no,
Rocket Man.
no. You're 72.
It's a good idea.
You're 72.
I make the decisions around here.
You're 72 years old. You grew up listening to a radio in your living room. Yo, all you fucking niggas that are 68 and a half years old, stop trying to tell people what's cool. Because you don't know.
You grew up listening to radio. You live.
Come on. Niggas really did. They sat around in a circle and
Yeah,
let
the
radio.
family around.
Come on. Stop.
Have a time.
oh. I wish I could dance like him. You think he can still dance like that? Or
Probably.
Or you think he's washed?
Yeah, no, you
Because
don't
I
lose that.
know.
You don't lose that.
I know you've seen my son Avant up there looking like.
I'm not body shaming Avant.
Look, I'm not body shaming him
He's
either,
just
but he
eating
was
good.
up there looking like
He's
a
just eating
California
good.
raisin.
He's just eating good. That's all it is.
He got the money belly.
Exactly. He got the grub love.
Yo,
All right.
shout out to my guy. Yo, listen, watch Gang in Effect, man. Do what you got to do, my nigga. Get those checks and then hit the buffet immediately after.
Listen, they said unlimited crab sticks, and he said, "I accept that challenge."
accept it.
Okay. No, I brought my own butter.
Shit is clarified.
Look threw the butter up in the air like LeBron before a game.
Yo. Oh my god.
Oh man, can't wait till we're chunky like that. It's a buffet.
Damn. Niggas been trying- That'll be damn. Because I was looking at old episodes of DVM and shit. And I was like, damn, I was wild fat.
Yeah, but that was like stress fat. That wasn't
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
I'm eating good fat. That was clearly I'm not sleeping enough, and I'm like eating meals when I can. That kind of like ripping and running fat.
I was. I really was, dog. I'm like, yo, let me get the $5 cheeseburger combo on the way downtown and
Yeah.
shit, like, because these niggas ain't buying no food.
Oh, we have for food. These
Huh?
niggas, we're both lactose intolerant. The niggas give us the wild cheese sandwich.
He's like,
I'm
yo,
like,
he's like, yo,
I got you a cheese sandwich with 5 types of cheese.
Hey, listen, I know lactose makes you pee out your asshole. Here's a grilled cheese sandwich with a pound and a half of cheese in it.
Yo, I'm eating grilled cheese and drinking a La Burrito. You know how bad I felt when I got home? I don't even know how I survived that train ride home.
Yo, niggas on the train like the bubble guts. Rockin' to the beat.
This just sounded like the bass line of the fucking Billie Jean. Just shifting myself like,
The train fucking jerks over you like, ah! Squeeze your asshole bad time like, ah! Nigga, that shit is terrifying. Yo,
because you're like, yo, I can make it. I can make it.
Yo,
I'm right there. As long as we make all these stops, no one holds the door, we're good. And then the train just be like, there's train traffic ahead of us. We're just gonna stay in the tunnel for a second.
So if you
Sorry for the interruption.
If you gotta take a shit, it's quiet for you. So shit in your pamper. Thank you. Have a nice night.
If you have to use the bathroom, just a reminder, you can transfer to the brown line across the platform.
Nothing more stressful than being
like,
at 125th on the train, and then niggas just sitting there waiting for the express. Like I'm on the 6, like
You just looking down the tracks like, yo. Then you walk to the train time thing like, yo, 3 minutes? It's been 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. What's going on? Then you're like, yo, shall I Uber?
You can't find a seat on the train, and
You got
you just
mad,
like
mad sweat. The train pulls into the station. There's wild crowded. There's mad people on the platform. You're like, nah, I gotta get on this one. So you might bump a baby. Now you fighting with some lady and her kid on the train while you got the wild bubble guts. She on your face like, yo, you fucking rude. You ain't see my baby. Yo, you can hear it's like, bop, 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 bop. Ma'am, I have to. Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. I apologize.
I'm so sorry. You don't know if that was a fart or a squirt.
Because at this point your ass is sweating like
It's nervous. It's nervous. It's gonna be a photo finish. Just gotta drop your pants as soon as you get in the house.
Oh my god!
Just run to the bathroom like, yo.
I think you get the spray on the side of the toilet type shit. Like
Coming in hot. Hit that toilet like a warthog.
And clear. Fire missile.
Danger close. Guns. Woo. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
So yeah.
Toilet's down there like friendly fire. No. Yo.
Get that son of a bitch out of here.
Oh my god.
Oh. So yeah, use the bathroom before you leave restaurants and stuff.
Word.
Before you end up like that.
Don't drink milk before you leave the crib.
That's today's life
You know what I'm
lesson.
saying? Don't eat a sundae before you bounce to go
People
on a
don't
date.
realize being lactose intolerant and then you fuck with milk. You got to plan for that shit.
You gotta plan it.
Because sometimes you want that 5 cheese lasagna, but it's like,
fam. Look, see, right now I'm watching Victor eat this yogurt and shit, and they could be eating like 5 bowls of cereal a day.
Yeah.
I'll be like, God damn. And this nigga got the napkin in his shirt. My God.
this nigga skied up right now. This nigga got a napkin in his shirt.
This nigga's ready.
Oh,
He's
man.
ready.
Oh, man.
Oh, God.
Looks like the crazy inmate that's in jail for like white collar crime and shit. Like, yo, he killed his cellmate on the first night. So he's just like, all right, I'm gonna let him cook.
All right, fuck it. It's young Rob Durst over here. Yo, wow. Shout out to everybody that ever shit in their pants. Or shout out to you if you made it home. I know
Hopefully
you have a
you're
harrowing
not-
tale of doodle.
Hopefully you're not going through that right now.
Niggas on the train listening to the podcast going to work like, damn, I gotta take a wild shit. Damn, I gotta go home now. You gotta stop at Dr. J's, nigga, buy a new pair. Buy the wild, funny looking jeans.
I'm just imagining the nigga like on the store listening to this, and they're cracking up, but no one, you can't hear that they're listening to this. So you just hear the person like,
Yeah. And they can't hit themselves, so they're just letting it rip. You know, you try to be discreet.
they think they're in the store, they're in the bathroom by themselves.
No?
So just washing their hands and looking in the mirror like, oh
My God.
what are they eating?
Yeah, nigga. Fucking Aaron from Accounts Payable is fucking like, yo, who the fuck? Yo, this nigga Jeff is wildin'.
Come out the bathroom all sweaty, look at him like, the brand is strong.
Brand strong. Brand strong.
Brand strong.
Don't
Try
judge
to
me.
Dap him up, the hands all moist.
Yo.
Got the humid hands.
Come on, dog. I know a lot of you niggas on the train looking like
Listen.
Patrick Ewing at the foul line. Like, yo.
This is for the Eastern Conference Finals. No pressure on these free throws.
He shit the bed, literally.
Oh, man.
Oh, God.
Oh, shout out to all my ladies who don't,
Hey.
who've 2 years into a relationship and your man has yet to see you take a shit.
Yo, just take a shit in front of your man, yo. I always say, like, yo, because I've never, I mean, obviously there's this time, like, you can't generalize, but for the most part, every Well, most dumps that I've seen don't compare to mine. Like in terms of like volume and just grossness.
All it takes is one, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All it takes is one.
All it takes is
You
one to
look
be
at
like,
them
damn, you
different.
can
You
do
know,
that?
like,
Like, you're capable of this.
nah, not in a good way. Like one, like, God damn, the fuck was you eating at work?
I mean, if she flushes it, that's all good.
No, what if she flushes it? It's still like, yo,
And it's still a little something in there?
it's still like
Woo.
when you walk into the mustard gas.
You're
in
like,
the video game, you're like,
oh, you back to disoriented and shit?
You gotta put on a tactical mask. You can't look at her the same. You be like, my precious babe. You just remember, you be like, damn, that bitch, I love her, but she blew the fucking shit out that bathroom.
Bitch, exercise that shit.
You get nervous next time you go out to a house party, she uses someone else's bathroom. You're like, nah, we'll drive home. Give her a book of matches, like, yo, just spark it afterwards.
Yo.
Why?
Why? What you mean?
Well, you was eating bagels earlier. You know how you get with the glutens.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, ma? You know when you and Ruffage ain't never been friends.
Damn. The worst shit though is like, personally for me, if it takes a wild dump in the bathroom and then gets in the shower, because when you're in the shower and you flush, your water turns straight volcanic. Does that happen to you?
Nah. Yeah,
Happens to me.
properly installed pipes. So
I lose a lot of cold water.
Yeah, I hear what your Dominican problems.
You know what I'm saying? And the water gets hot. Yo, when you flush the toilet, water gets hot. I feel like that happens to a lot of people.
It depends.
That's very normal.
It's normal, but you can also, depending if like your plumbing is done properly, and there's like different routes.
Explain it to me.
No.
Were you a plumber too? This guy had every job in the world. He's like, yo, when I was a plumber.
No, I did work construction. Duh. The fuck? Come on, I'm Jamaican. You know at some point.
I know.
At some point, I was coming home.
This thing got more jobs than AKAs.
Dog, I was coming home in my fucking teal Pacos, and they were covered in plaster. I'm eating fucking...
He was the guy on the train with the mask on his head, like...
Yeah, just looking angry, sitting there with my uncle. He's like, oh, we're getting breakfast. I'm like, we go to the diner. Yeah. Just give me tea and a biscuit. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Okay, it's just
breakfast. You can't work on a full stomach.
They would play...
That don't make no sense.
They would play CBS 101. All day while he works.
CBS FM.
They have me like breaking down walls and shit. I had no kind of mask.
Up next is
no
O'Neal.
No kind of safety equipment.
You that bad tight, and all you hear in the background is like, 8 days a week. You're like, yo, fuck. That should make you hit the Beatles even more.
I'm like, and I used to work from 7 to 8. Because I couldn't leave until my uncle left. Because it was character.
It builds character.
It builds character. I wasn't getting paid right, but you know I got stories for the podcast now.
All day.
Now I could talk about that. Yeah. And now, I don't have to live that.
My pops had me out there like 10, 11, 12, climbing fucking on every Jewish holiday that I had off from school. We going to work. I'm fucking on the rooftop with the wild AC unit, like, and the wild, like, not sanctioned equipment, like.
So you gotta do that with your kids.
You know what I'm saying? All day. You already know.
Start a roofing company. You got enough kids now. You can do a roof in like.
Dog, first of all, I'm telling you.
You can do a roof in 10 minutes.
You already know niggas moving to Jersey.
You get one kid on shingles, one kid on the nails, the other one with the hot tar.
How about this? Young Mero landscaping, have all them out there on the right arm mowers and shit, trimming the hedges and shit.
Nice. I got that.
Holla. You know what I'm saying?
Have Ingrid yelling at them. She could be the foreman.
Yo, what you doing, yo? Yo, that bush is supposed to be in the shape of a fucking Mickey Mouse, my nigga. Like, that looks like fucking, like, Pinky in the Brain, yo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, my God.
Shout out to Ingrid. I hope she doesn't run up on us after this.
She probably
doesn't listen, right?
No, she won't.
All right, cool.
Well, maybe probably she does.
All right, well.
Shout out to Ingrid, shout out to Carlos. You know what I'm saying? Squad.
Gang.
You know what I mean? Shout out to Tito.
Shout out to Mariano. Mero Rivera, why?
Because it's the 42nd episode.
Nigga. We were going to say Jackie Robinson, but I feel like Mariano Rivera.
It's more relevant to our interests.
Exactly, for our lives.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
In our lifetimes.
He was he was a saver.
Remember 96?
I remember that.
96.
Yeah.
Never forget.
But your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle,
That's right.
a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, a.k.a. Chris Ass Pro Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butchers Gully, Sober That I Might Know Your Bitch, Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Rodorando, 1994, Mikkel going off the Juve Boss, MC Little Goonga P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in Uber, I don't know you. The original My Plus One got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Desus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young
He's
Pop,
so fancy.
the Costa Mufasa.
Young
Chakunery without the coonery, a.k.a. Chile Lamone, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay, look, hey. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic baby.
Mwah! Yo, we'll see you next week, ball bags. It's your boy, the Camaro, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, the Plantain Supernova. You know what I'm saying? Feel the ass Tyson. I know fucking baby, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Been Smack Biombo. You know what I mean? Yo, check the fucking guest list again. My name is definitely on there. And no, I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you check. You know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti, Rico Sabroso, East Street, my Stevie B, and Maduro. Papi, cheque a la foto. Holla.
Until then, we'll catch you next week in Smack City.
Smack City.